अग्रवाल, जो पहले इस संस्थान की टीचर भी रह चुकी हैं और स्टूडेंट भी।
विद्यार्थी। फिर से बोल। पुरानी, पूर्व
करने जा रही है।
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ अशोक सम्राट जैसे राजा थे। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया पाई जाती थी। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर भाषा, मजहब, रूप, पहनावा बदल जाता है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very melodious good evening to all of you. I am speaking on the topic connecting India economically, geographically and culturally. I would start by telling the topic has two aspects. The first aspect, connecting India to itself, and the second step, connecting India to globe. So the first aspect, let me tell you, I first feel that India is already connected to enough countries. To support my statement, I would like to start an example. NASA has noticed recently the sound of rotation of Earth, Om. And we have built our culture based on geography of our nation. That is who our geography are connected to our culture. And when I talk about how can not talk about Char Dham, about Haji Ali Dargah, about the beautiful churches of Goa, about the Golden Temple. This heritage tourism that we have developed in India is developing, generating huge amount of revenue. That is initially helping us build the economy for this nation. That is culture is connected to economy of India. Now, how economy is connected to geography? Once we started to build good economy. Once we start good economic means to this nation, we would not have only literate but educated candidate in our nation. And these people would be better for their culture. They build better culture and they will take care of their geography. This is how India connected already to itself. Now, start by second aspect. How is India connected to globally? Well, India has always been a nation that have been rich natural resources and cultivatable land, and you, my dear people, energetic youth of nation, and that is why superpowers like US want to interest in us on our land. When they come to US, they bring huge geographical interest and bring huge economical profit for our nation. This is how we can connect it to take to the world economically and geographically. When two countries connect to each other geographically and economically also, a change or exchange of our culture happens. We adopt their culture and they adopt our culture. So this is how India is connected to economically, culturally and geographically with other countries. Now I am ending my speech. Thank you friends. Have a cheerful day. I am wishing you again very happy Independence Day to all of you.